Hello kids and welcome to my video. I hope the phobia of mathematics has diminished to a certain extent, and I'm sure that over the period of time you will start to love the subject as much as other subjects. Since percentage is a very vast chapter, I will continue with percentage in this video. Today we will learn how to convert decimal into percentage. How to convert decimal into percentage. In my previous video, I have explained to you how we can convert a decimal number into a fraction. Today, I will show you how to convert decimal into percentage. Suppose the number is 5.25. Now, this is the number that has to be converted into percentage. Now remember, in order to convert any number, whether decimal number or without the decimal number, what we have to do is multiply the number with 100. If you multiply any number with 100, it is converted into percentage. So since we have the number 5.25, I will multiply with 100 in order to bring it into percentage form. Okay, now you have to further simplify this. Now what we will do here is, if a number is multiplied with multiples of 10, that means 10, 100,000, 10,000, these kind of numbers, if the number is multiplied with such multiples of 10, then how you can simplify it? Just take the decimal number, that number of places as you have the zeros given. Now in 100 we have 2 zeros. So decimal will go 2 places towards your right. 1, 2. So decimal will come after 5. So it becomes 5, 2, 5. This is your answer. Let's take another example, 0.038. This number has to be converted into decimal. Same process. Any number which has to be converted into decimal, you will have to multiply the number by 100. So I will multiply this number by 100. Okay, and there are 2 zeros along with 1, so I will place the decimal 2 places towards my right. So 1 and 2. So the answer becomes 3.8. Take another example, 760.95. Okay, same principle, I will multiply this whole number with 100 in order to bring it into percentage form. Now I will place the decimal 2 places towards my right. 1, 2. So it becomes 76095. This is my answer. So whenever you have to multiply a decimal number with multiples of 10, just place the decimal number as many places as the zeros given in the multiples of 10. That is very, very simple. Another example, 6.03. Same, I will multiply this number with 100. 6.03 into 100 in order to bring it into percentage form. And then place the decimal 2 places towards my right. So it becomes 603. And you must not forget to put the percentage sign in all the answers. Since I have not given percentage sign, I will show you. Yeah, you have to write the percentage sign because your question is to convert decimal into percentage. So this is very simple. Any decimal number can be converted into percentage by simply multiplying with 100. If the number is, for example, 2.035, and this has to be converted into percentage, then we write 2.035 multiply with 100. Now along with 1 you have 2 zeros, so just place the decimal 2 places towards your right. I will show you how I have placed the decimal 1, 2. So it becomes 203.5%. Let's take one more example, 75.3. So I will write 75.3 into 100 in order to bring the answer in percentage form. 75.3 into 100. Now I have to place the decimal 2 places towards my right, but I can see after the decimal I have only one digit. So I will write few more zeros and then show you the placement. Right. Now I will show you how you can place the decimal. 1, 2. So it becomes 7530. So hope you've understood how you can convert decimal into percentage. It is very simple. Just remember few steps. The first step is, in order to write the answer in percentage form, you have to multiply the number with 100. Second step is, just take the decimal, place the decimal 2 places towards the right. Place the decimal 2 places towards your right. And third step, write percentage in your answer. That's all. It's as simple as that. Do not get confused. It's very simple. And in spite of this, if you have any problem in understanding, do write in the comment section below so that I can make it even simpler for you and help you with this chapter as much as possible. Thank you for watching my channel. Do like it and subscribe it. Share it with your friends so that all of them are benefited. Thank you so much.